So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video I'm going to show you how to easily go on to creating cool and amazing YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos utilizing platforms like Canva.com. Now if you do work with me through this particular video, I'm going to show you how to easily create such kinds of thumbnails, which you can actually do see on my channel right here. Supposing I want to just simply create something like this one right now, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So if you're interested in making money on YouTube, you can actually do check out the first link in the description of the video you're watching right now, and that link is actually going to take you to this amazing course. Now this course is actually going to enable you earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month on YouTube just by utilizing a 3-hour YouTube work plan to help fast track your YouTube growth and revenue. Now the course is actually being sold out for a sum of $49 right now, and guys, this is actually available to the 1st of April 2024. So why not just simply go on to grabbing your copy right now to save up to $150 today, as after that particular date right here you're going to be purchasing the course for a sum of $199, and that is actually quite much. So why not just simply go on to purchasing this during this giveaway phase. Now you could just simply click on buy now to purchase the course, so don't miss out on the opportunity right here. You could scroll through this homepage and you can actually see much more details and payment proof like the YouTube revenue that you can earn with this particular course. You can also see digital product sales and also affiliate product sales that you can actually go on to utilizing to earn similar amounts once you do leverage the strategies in this course. You could check out this video right now, and this video is going to show you amazing results which was gotten by some individuals after utilizing the content of this particular course right now. So why not just simply leverage this course yourself to go on to fast tracking your earnings on YouTube. So diving right back into the video of today, like I said, I'm going to show you how to create cool and amazing thumbnails with this particular platform called Canva.com. Now the first thing which you want to do after coming on to Canva.com is to come onto this section and you want to search for YouTube thumbnail like I did just right now. And if you do search for that, click on YouTube thumbnail right here, this particular one having this YouTube logo, and if you select that right now, right there, it's actually going to bring you right now to this page. And on this page you can go on to seeing lots of cool and amazing templates that you could just simply leverage for creating your YouTube thumbnails. Now supposing I do like this particular template right here, I could just simply select that. You can see how cool the template looks. I could just simply click on customize the template. It's going to take me to the page where I could just simply go into editing the template to my preference right now. Now you can actually do see the template right here. I can select the background. I can just simply go into changing the color of the background right now. As you can see, I changed the background color, or I could actually go into changing this text right here. As you can see, the text says the most attractive thumbnails. So I can just simply change that to attractive thumbnails right now, or I could change this text to anything I actually want. I can move the text around if I do want right now. As you can see, I can move that to any location. I can actually do come right here, these arrows, I could go on to changing the colors of the arrows. Maybe I want that to be black. As you can see, I can actually change that in this section. You can actually just simply play around this. Even this person right now, you could just simply go on to removing that, deleting that, play around this right here to your preference right now. So you can just simply go on to clicking on share. Once you're done, click on download and actually go on to downloading this particular thumbnail on your device. Now the second option which you have is to come onto this section right here and go on to creating your thumbnail from scratch or from the basic. So if you do click on create blank, it's going to take you to a blank page where you can easily go on to creating your thumbnails right now. As you can see, these are actually the designs available to you that you could just simply leverage right now for your thumbnail creation. You could go on to checking out the element section, and this is where you can go on to getting cool and amazing stuff that you could utilize. Now if you do go on to the element section, and maybe I do search for stuff like t-shirts right now, I'm going to be able to see some graphic results, some photo results, some video results, frame results, and also audio results. Now you can go on to utilizing that, any one of your choice. You could go on to clicking on see all. You're going to be able to see much more results right now for that particular graphic section, and you could just simply leverage any one of your choice. Now you could go on to template or text and actually select any type of text you want to utilize. If you want to add text for heading, subheading, body text, you could go into brand and actually check out stuff related to logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, and a lot more cool stuff. In the upload section, maybe you do have a very cool image you want to use from your device right now. You could upload that by clicking on this upload file section. Go on to selecting that image from your device and upload on this section. Now you could also do the same for videos and audios. You can actually go into drawing some cool stuff. The floor will be open for you to actually go into drawing right now. As you can see, I can just simply play around this particular section right now. So you could also come onto the project section. You can check out apps, and these are actually cool stuff available to you. Now supposing you want to just simply generate something quite similar to this thumbnail right here, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So once I'm actually right now on this particular Canva section, I'm just going to go onto this particular background to change the background color first. Now I can come right here, change the background color. Maybe I could change that to something like black. I could change that to red. I could change that to blue, any color of my choice right now. So once I've changed that right there, the next thing which I need to do right now is to just simply go into adding simple text. Now for the text, I could go into the element or the text section and add in heading. Now for that heading, I could just simply go into typing in anything I actually do want. Maybe I could type in something like monetize. Maybe I could just simply type in something simple like monetize right now. I could just simply highlight the text, come onto this particular text font section and select the font of my choice. Now I do prefer this font. I'm just going to utilize this font, and I can just simply go into making this bigger, and I could just simply drag this to this section right here. Now I could duplicate this and actually come right here, make sure this is aligned, and I can just simply go on to typing in something next. Maybe I do type in something like your. I can also go on to duplicating that particular section and come on to this particular section right here. So you can see something like this which says monetize your website. Now I want to just simply insert a very cool image right now. I can go into the element section, cancel this, and I could just simply search for something like maybe a surprised woman holding money or a surprised man holding money. Search for anything that is actually reasonable to you, that you do feel like you want to add to this particular section. Now I can just simply click on see all. You can actually do see a lot of cool and amazing images right here that you could easily select from. Now I could just simply go into selecting this particular image right here. As you can see, the image actually came with its own background, and for me to eliminate that background, I can just simply make sure that the image is selected, head on to this edit photo section, and you want to just simply utilize this particular option available to you, which is to remove background. Now you can see some other options right here for the magic eraser, magic expand, magic edit, magic grab, and text grab. But what I'm going to use is the background remover or the BG remover. Now you can see the background has actually been removed. I can then just simply crop this to my preference. Now I can just simply go on to enlarging this particular image right now. If I do enlarge the image to my preference, then I could also go on to adjusting to actually fit into where I actually want it quite better. You can see this has actually going to look like. You could go on to adding other cool and amazing contents. Maybe I want to just simply add in glow. You can come onto this element section. I could just simply add in something like glow. If I do want maybe the white glow, you can actually do see examples right now. I could select one right now and just simply go on to adding that in any of this section right here. You could increase the glow size right here. Maybe I could just simply add that to this section. Then I could go on to the position. If I do go on to position, go on to layers, and I could take this behind right now. You can see how cool this actually looks like. So right now guys, a simple thumbnail has actually been created, but you just need to go on to playing around all this text, all these tools right here to create something quite cool, something quite amazing. Now for this text right here, you could also go on to changing the text color or the font color to any color of your choice. As you can see right now, that has actually been changed. Maybe I could go on to changing this to something like red, and I could go on to making this italicized, going on to editing the format, or you could add in effects. Now for the effect right here, I could just simply add in something like maybe outline and go on to changing the color right now to something like this. You can see how cool this actually looks like. You could also go on to animating this, adding positions if you want. Now basically I'm going to leave this as it is, but you could just simply play around each and every section of this and just simply create something quite cool. Once you're done, click on share, and you can actually click on download. You can select the format which you want to download this particular thumbnail in, but it's actually preferred you do go on to utilizing PNG. Now once you're done with that, just simply click on download, and the image is actually going through the download phase right now. The image will be downloaded on your device. Then you could go on to uploading that as a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube channel right now, or your YouTube videos. So basically that's how cool and simple it is to go on to creating thumbnails on Canva right now. All you need to do is to make sure you do take out time to go on to creating cool and amazing stuff on the platform, and you can do a lot of wonders with Canva.com right now. And guys, like I said, if you're interested in making money online with YouTube, you want to check out the first link in the description of the video. That will lead you to this amazing course to go on to fast tracking your YouTube earnings and revenue right now. And the course is actually available for $50 right here approximately on this giveaway phase, which will last to the 1st of April 2024, of which after then you're going to be purchasing the course for $200, and you can purchase that today for $49 and save up to $150 right now. So why not just simply leverage this? Or you could just better still click on the link in the description of the video to go on to coming onto this page and see more details about the course yourself. Now on my channel right here, I regularly create videos on ways to make money online. If you like such kind of content, you can hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do create some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.